I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for your workouts. First, let's set up your personalized fitness hub. Begin by creating a dedicated Notion page, perhaps named My Workout Log. Next, design a database within this page to meticulously track your exercises and progress. You'll want to include essential properties such as the date of your workout, the specific exercise performed, the number of sets, repetitions, and the weight lifted. This foundational setup takes just a few minutes and provides a clear overview. Now that your database is ready, logging your daily sessions becomes effortless. After completing each workout, simply input the details directly into your Notion database. To save time, consider creating templates for your most common routines, allowing for quick one-click entry. This consistent tracking helps you monitor key performance metrics, like your heaviest lift or total volume, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals with precision and ease. Beyond simple logging, Notion empowers you to visualize your fitness journey. Create various views for your database, such as a calendar view to see your workout frequency or a gallery view to highlight specific achievements. Leverage Notion's formula property to automatically calculate personal bests for lifts or your total weekly volume. This analytical approach helps you identify trends, celebrate milestones, and pinpoint areas where you can improve your training strategy effectively. Finally, let's explore advanced features to enhance your Notion workout system. Consider integrating habit trackers directly into your page to monitor consistency, sleep, or hydration, crucial for recovery. You can also link to external resources, such as exercise demonstration videos or personalized nutrition plans, all within your fitness hub. For added motivation, share your workout log with a coach or an accountability partner, fostering a supportive environment for your fitness aspirations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.